If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Xbox Series X, follow these simple steps to help improve your gaming performance. This guide will walk you through some easy troubleshooting methods. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your Xbox, unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings or resolution in the game options to see if it reduces FPS drops. Step 4. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications. Press the Xbox button, navigate to the My Games and Apps section, and close any apps that are running but not in use. Step 5. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect game performance. Ensure you have a stable connection by testing your network settings in the Xbox menu and consider using a wired connection for better stability. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce FPS drops and enhance your gaming experience on the Xbox Series X. Happy gaming!